Is the constant ringing in your ears making life unbearable? You're not alone, and there might be a solution. Today, we're diving into Zen Cortex, a supplement that promises relief from tinnitus, but does it actually work? Stay tuned as we explore real user reviews, the science behind it, and whether it's worth your money. Tinnitus isn't just a minor inconvenience. That persistent buzzing, ringing, or humming can disrupt your sleep, impact your focus, and even take a toll on your mental health. If you've been struggling to find relief, you know how exhausting it can be to try product after product, only to be left disappointed. But here's the good news. Zen Cortex is designed to tackle tinnitus at its core by addressing issues like poor circulation and oxidative stress. With a formula that combines natural, science-backed ingredients, it claims to reduce the intensity of tinnitus while supporting your auditory and brain health. Sounds promising, right? But before you hit that buy now button, let's take a closer look at what real users are saying. So, what makes Zen Cortex stand out? Here's a quick rundown of its key ingredients. Ginkgo Biloba, which improves blood flow to the ears and reduces inflammation. Magnesium, known to calm overactive auditory nerves. Zinc and vitamin B12, which help repair nerve damage and support overall ear health. Real users have reported some impressive results. Many mentioned that after a few weeks of consistent use, they noticed a reduction in the intensity of their tinnitus and an improvement in focus and mental clarity. However, not all feedback is glowing. Some users felt the changes were subtle or took longer than expected. It's important to remember that supplements like Zen Cortex aren't a one-size-fits-all solution. Your body's unique needs play a big role in the results you'll see. Now, imagine doing nothing about your tinnitus. Over time, the ringing might worsen, interfering with your ability to work, enjoy conversations, or even get a good night's sleep. Ignoring the problem could mean missing out on a chance to reclaim your peace and focus. Ready to give Zen Cortex a try? Click the link in the description to learn more and see if it's the right fit for you. Have you used Zen Cortex or found other tinnitus solutions that worked? Share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest reviews and health tips. Together, let's silence the noise and find real relief.